Welcome guys back to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel, and in this video tutorial I would like to share with you how to knit one more super bulky hat. Please look at this crown. I'm just in love how it is. It is a simple hat really, and beginner friendly. It is fast project because I've done this hat just during 1.5 hours. For this hat you will need 9 mm knitting needles. I'm using circular needles, 60 centimeters, and yarn, any super bulky yarn. I am using wool thick and quick from Lion brand that I'm usually using, but any yarn, or you can also knit in 2 strands, taking worsted medium yarn, and you will get the same super bulky weight. What else? For this hat, usually this hat looks great without pom-pom, but if you want, you can attach pom-pom because I like so much crown. But if you want, you can attach fur pom-pom, or you can make a yarn pom-pom will be also just great. So if you're ready and would like to knit this hat with me, you are welcome, and let's get started. Using long tail cast on method, cast on 44 stitches or any other number that is multiple by 4 plus one extra stitch that you're going to use to join and knit in round. If you don't want to use an extra stitch, just 44. I cast on 45 stitches and going to show you how to join and knit in rounds. And this time I will do it a little bit different from what I'm usually doing it. So slip the last stitch to the left hand needle and slip over the first stitch and drop it off the needle. Pull the tail and return slip stitch to the left hand needle. And let's start knitting ribbing. You can place a stitch marker, don't have now the big one, so just placing the stitch marker in between the last and the first stitch. And let's start. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. I'm going to start from ribbing, knit 1, purl 1. It is also great if you are going to make knit 2, purl 2 ribbing. As in the main pattern we have also a purl 2 stitches, so it will look great together with the ribbing. But I'm doing knit 1, purl 1, just here lost the part. Let's do it again. Purl 1, knit 1, everything is correct. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Now pull the left hand needle and then push it a little bit. Pull the right hand needle and go on knitting. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Go on till the stitch marker. After that, go on ribbing 2 more rounds. So I've done 3 ribbon rounds in total. If you want your ribbon to be bigger, so you can rib 5 or 7 rounds. Like this, you will get at least 5 centimeters ribbon. And let's start. Purl 4. As you can see, sometimes I purl through the front loop, and here I purl through the back loop. Always get this question, please. This is just a normal purl stitch. Every video I repeat it. Just purl it as you know. Then make a yarn over. Purl 4, yarn over. Purl 4, and yarn over. Again, purl 4, yarn over. Like this, go on repeating and knitting till the stitch marker. So I'm at the end, purl the last stitch, then don't forget to make a yarn over, and the second round you hold the yarn over with the index finger of your right hand, and again purl 2, then you find the yarn over stitch and slip it over those 2 stitches that are in front, and then knit 2. And that's what you're going to repeat. Purl 2, skip next 2 stitches, pick up yarn over stitch, slip it over like to the right, and then knit 2. Easy, right? And repeat again. Purl 2, skip next 2 stitches, find yarn over stitch. So this is important not to forget in the previous round to make a yarn over stitch. And knit 2. 1, 2. Showing it really slowly. So repeat everything till the stitch marker, and after that start repeating these 2 rounds where you purl 4 and yarn over, purl 4 and yarn over. After that repeat the second round where you purl 2, then pick up the yarn over stitch from the previous round and paste it over 2 stitches that you just skipped. And like this go on until the head reaches 20 centimeters. Here I am. So let's measure the head. And I have exactly 20 centimeters. So it doesn't matter on which round you're going to finish, whether it's first round or whether it's the second one. You can make decreases. You will understand how to do it. So first we are going to decrease 1 purl stitch. So for this I can purl through the back loop as I was doing it before, but it's a little bit hard, so I just turn my purl stitches and make purl two together through the front loop. It might happen that you don't need to turn your purl stitches. After that, purl two and make yarn over. And again, purl two together. So let me do it through the back loop, like what I would usually do. Purl two again and yarn over. Let's do it again. Turn, purl two together, purl two and yarn over. Go on till the stitch marker. In the second round there will be no decreases. Don't forget about yarn over stitch. Here I hold it. And what you are doing, purl one, then pick up the yarn over stitch, pass it over and knit two. And again, purl one, pass over, knit two. And again, purl one, pass over, knit two. Let me show one more time. Purl one, pass over and knit two. Go on till the stitch marker. Round number 3 with decreases. Here we are going to knit two together, the first purl stitch and the next knit stitch. Knit two together, knit one, and again. For this, it's easier. It will be easier if I turn the purl stitch. Knit two together, knit one. Again, you see that the purl stitch is turned to another part compared to the knit stitch. So knit two together, knit one. Again, knit two together and knit one. Go on making decreases till the stitch marker. Round number 4, just knit all stitches around. I'm going to knit this round together with you. Knit all stitches. Turn a little bit more. There will be in total 5 rounds of the crown. Okay, that's it. And the next round, knit two together all the way around. Knit two together, knit two together, knit two together, knit two together. Please finish decreases. And that's it. Now you can remove the stitch marker, cut the tail and thread the tail through the tapestry needle or yarn needle. And now slip remaining stitches. Thread the tail through remaining stitches. Okay. So pull tight to close. That's the crown, beautiful. And now pull through the center yarn needle and the tail, and pull the tail through remaining stitches around once or twice. Always pull the tail to close the hole. Underneath and more, and more. That's it. Then you can make a knot and cut the yarn. I don't have just a scissors here now. And the same, we have the tail here. So on the wrong side here you can use a hook or same tapestry needle, and here is the purl stitches, and on the wrong side they look like knit stitches. So pull the tail underneath like this. You can pull it further, and that's it. Let's look, and we are done. So if you want to make a longer ribbon, you can do it, but uh, I've done this hat. This is the, I think, the third one that I'm doing. So it fits the hat perfectly and tight, so you can knit as I was knitting, only 3 rounds of ribbon. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video because it inspires me to share with you more hats, and stay tuned for more new projects.